arrows, and spears. Use of any form of liquid such as blood, oil, or water. Use of fire,
Hi there guys and girls,
candles,
good afternoon to
and
everybody.
materials.
Welcome here in Santa Lucia Mall.
Use of
This is the first day screen of
or
Get Up and Dance 2025.
pots,
Guys
and
and girls,
other
if you have the
materials.
thoughts, if you have
All
the
visual
adrenaline rush, if you have the moves, the body moves,
is
the
also
body sways,
allowed.
if you have this kind
And also,
of
the use of electric power lights and special effects.
dancing
Number
prowess, go
hand
here in the
props
Santa
may be
Lucia
used
Mall
as
and join
sticks,
the fun.
fans,
You will
rings,
have
umbrellas,
lots
bamboos,
of
wood,
prizes to be
steel,
won at stake.
but they
Guys
are
and girls,
poles, but they
for that
may
you
not
have
still be
to
3 minutes long.
shop at least 500 worth
Lastly, the
and
judges' decision is
participating
final and appeal.
products or brands here
Failure
all
to
around
follow
the
within our
Santa
foregoing
Lucia
general
before
guidelines
you
would result
get
in
to
a wrongful
be
reduction for violation of the
contestant
judges'
here, okay?
knowledge scorecard or
And
disqualification of the competition.
what's this thing what I say? I forgot. I'm some kind of overwhelmed. Good thing that I catch this on the first day of screening. So guys and girls, form a group at least 6 to 12 or just find it out, okay? Bye for now. Thank you for watching. So shout out to each and every one of you, to all my silent subscribers out here, to all my silent viewers, to all my Facebook viewers. Thank you for all the wonderful blessings that you gave for all the trials and challenges that I surpassed. Shout out to my mother, Miguel Felborda, to Helen Carreto of Central Legazpi City, and to my sister Christine. Hi. To all my other countries, thank you so much to every one of you. So stay tuned. So let's catch this up. So it's not yet starting, guys and girls. I'm over here and join the fun. So what else you gotta say? I'm some kind of having a mental block. But anyway, come over here.